Let's add Yahoo email. Go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for Yahoo. All you have to need install the official Yahoo Mail app. Once the app installed, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail app. And here, if you have an account already, just tap on sign in with Yahoo. And all you have to need, enter here your Yahoo account username, email or mobile number, tap on next and sign in to your account. If you don't have any account, just tap on sign up to create a new account. And to sign in to your Yahoo Mail with your Google account, tap on sign in with Google. And here select the Google account. Tap on continue. And here check these options, tap on continue, and here select your birth year, write here your full name and tap on next. And here connect mailbox. You are assigned to another Yahoo account, just tap on access my Gmail and select your account, tap on continue, and now I'm going back to my Yahoo Mail app again and personalize your inbox theme. Select a theme, tap on next, and here you can turn on notifications for your Yahoo Mail app. And I'm going to skip these options. And that's it. As you can see, all of my Yahoo mails are syncing. It may take some moments to show all mails in this list. So as you can see, I've successfully signed into my account. So this is how you can actually do it. Thank you.